Welcome to a demonstration of the Clarity Platform, a cutting-edge solution designed to simplify the creation, management, and engagement of decentralized organizations. In this overview, we will explore how Clarity provides a user-friendly interface and a suite of tools, empowering users to harness the power of decentralized governance. The journey on the Clarity Platform begins with the creation of your organization. You can input essential off-chain information, like your organization or community's name, the description, and links. Then you can customize the governance rules and the decentralization of your organization. So do you want to gate proposal and governance action creation by the amount of tokens held by someone, or do you want it to be only admins able to create a proposal, or do you want it to be anyone, but admins must approve the proposal before it goes live? Clarity gives users very flexible ways to customize their governance. Next, you put in the unique identifier of your governance token. You can actually have multiple governance tokens that give voting power in a Clarity organization. You can choose if they're calculated on a linear or quadratic scale. You can choose whether it's one token, one vote, one token, 5 votes. It is really up to you. Once your organization is established, it's time for the fun to start. It's time to engage your community. You can do this by creating governance actions like polls and bounties. In this example, we'll create a poll. Polls provide predefined options for the community to vote on, while bounties enable you to crowdsource ideas from your community. These governance actions serve as community signaling mechanisms, setting the stage for collaborative decision making. So here you can see when creating a poll, we can customize the options that can be voted on by the community. We'll keep this one yes, no, just for simplicity. But then you can easily input the deadlines for your governance action. What time does voting and what date does voting open, and when does voting close? Once your governance action is created, it is very easy for the community to click in and see the governance action and participate. Users can see all of the deadlines involved with the governance actions. They can see how much voting power they have. They can see the different options to be voted on, and they can even add submissions if it is a bounty in a very user-friendly way. Clarity also offers a community leaderboard that automatically tracks and rewards participants for their governance involvement and for their completion of unique incentives, custom incentives that an organization admin can create. Here we are looking at a list of incentives that can earn the Clarity community rewards. So you can participate in a working session, you can utilize the testnet, you can retweet and like a post. So it's really up to the imagination what incentives can give points to the community and what a community admin can do in order to leverage their community to drive growth of their organization. For the admins, it's a very simple process to create an incentive. All you have to do is go to the admin page, click add. You can put in the name, so we're going to say follow us on Twitter, and we'll give 200 points for this one, or 500. Then you can put in a description, submit this to your community, and then your community is able to get points in order by completing incentives. This is a very, very valuable feature in order to track and reward the people in your community that do the most good for your community and contribute the most to your cause. One of Clarity's standout features is its integration with the Agora protocol, a trusted and audited governance and treasury management framework for Cardano projects. With Clarity's user-friendly interface, creating an Agora DAO is a breeze. You just click, launch an Agora DAO, configure custom governance rules enforced by smart contracts, and set up parameters like token requirements for proposal creation, token requirements for the execution of a proposal, and proposal timing details, which is what we're doing right now on screen. Once you set up all of your governance rules to your liking, all you have to do is sign a few transactions, and with a few simple steps, your organization gains an on-chain treasury and on-chain governance capabilities without the need for any technical expertise at all. Gone are the days where you have to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars and hire more and more employees in order to have an on-chain treasury with custom governance rules. Clarity makes it a breeze. All you have to do is fill out a simple online form, sign a few transactions, and your organization can be created in a matter of minutes. Not to mention that these smart contracts are already audited. So if you build out your own, you'll have to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for an audit to make sure it's safe, but these contracts are already audited and trusted by the broader Cardano ecosystem. Now that our Agora DAO is made, we can see all of the governance thresholds up top, how much it takes to create a proposal, what the treasury address is. We can see what is in the treasury here. It looks like we have about 200 ADA in this test treasury. And let's make a proposal to interact with the treasury. So what that looks like is you click this button that says create proposal, and then we'll make a treasury withdrawal proposal. And then what you do is you choose a template. So here we're going to choose the treasury spin template, and we're going to say send 10 ADA from the treasury. And in order to build the smart contracts that will automatically execute if your community passes a vote, all you have to do is fill out another simple online form. So here we're saying we're going to send ADA out, we're going to send 10 of them, we're going to send it to this address, and then this is the stake that we're going to use in order to create it. Now the proposal is created and it's available for everyone in the community to vote on. Thank you so much for watching this demonstration video of the Clarity Protocol.